G'day. We've got a bit of an experiment here today, right? One my wife will be very happy with because, well, this is our stovetop and I found some toys and I thought it would be good to be able to try and see if they help me clean better on a stovetop. But unfortunately I haven't found that many that good or that bad. So I kind of had to create one. So for 3 months, no one's been allowed to wash the stovetop in a certain area. And it's really frustrating everyone, but it worked. We've got a really nice setup here, so I need to really get stuck into this and we're gonna see if this works. It's worth a try. Now, there's another reason I really need to test this on mine, because there's a lot of things that can hurt stainless steel. Some people on this heavy duty stuff, they'll use oven cleaner and that just wrecks everything. Particularly it'll wreck these areas around the elements, like really badly. You can't use steel wool on this, you will mark it. It's got to be something a bit softer. So I usually use the brush and I scrub like a madman on it. It's usually fine. So I'm assuming this is going to be okay. I just don't know if it's going to help. But I had to test it on ours first, just in case it does some sort of mark that we're not looking for. So let's get stuck in and have a go at this. So I think first what we'll do is just use some dishwashing liquid and just squirt it on a spot. Right, because I'm a little curious, but we'll find out. Oh, it throws it everywhere. Okay, so that's just dishwashing liquid on there. So I'm really not trying to go too hard here, right? But as you can see, it's not marking it, which is nice. So that's working pretty well. So we'll just go over this side, a bit more dishwashing liquid, and we'll see how it goes. This is the harder area. So it's not instant. And I probably could have gotten that result by hand almost as quick. It will help get into here a lot easier. But now we're going to add some Jif and we'll just see if it makes any difference. Other than it might squirt Jif all over me. I really hope this works. Because if this works, it'll save me a whole lot of elbow grease. Now it's probably working about the same as me going crazy with the brush. There is quite a bit there. I'll show you an extra little trick for that. I've just got to find the thing to do it. But so it could be that the bristles aren't hard enough, but I think going harder is going to make it worse on this anyway. But I'm just going to clear all this out first because it does do a great job of that. So it's still very hard, a lot of this. I'm just going to see if I can get that up with something else. So this is just an old card, a gift card, but sometimes hard plastic really helps on stainless steel. So I'm just going to see if it actually does scratch away. So this is another cheats way that I'll often use, just to get rid of the bigger stuff. That is easier to clean. Now I am looking at the grain, I'm going with the grain because it does make it come out easier. Now, if I'm honest, I expected a lot more from this. A heck of a lot more from this. There is still a lot of scrubbing to do, and I think I'm going to be better off doing that myself than using this. I'll just quickly use it on these though, because it does work on this sort of stuff. It's really good for your finer, faster cleaning, especially if you can't use your wrist. But if you've left the stovetop for 3 months, it's not ideal, but nothing's really ideal in that situation. I was hoping it was going to be a gangbuster, but it's okay. It just means I've got a bit of work to do myself to bring our own stovetop back to where it should have been in the first place. So we'll just get stuck into these with this because it's fun, and then I'll clean up the whole thing. Okay, so it was good for in there.
There you have it. If you think this video is good stuff, please tap the like button and share it with your friends. If you have a question or you just want to say hi, whack it in the comments below and I'll get to them ASAP. Of course, I'd love you to join me on this journey. Just tap on that face with the green circle to subscribe. That way, when you need good cleaning advice, it'll be easy to find. Here's a couple more videos to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your cleaning.